Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can set up your Tidio Chatbot. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser, search for Tidio, and go to the official site. Click on Get Started Free. Sign up using your email, create a password, and add your website URL. Then fill in your name, department like marketing, and choose the channels you use to connect with customers like live chat or email. Next, choose your business model services, e-commerce, or other, then select your industry, monthly conversations, and traffic. I chose 1K, 5K, and up to 1K traffic. Pick how you want to interact with your customers, then choose the platform your website is built on. I selected Workspace. Click Next, then let's go. Once inside the dashboard, go to the left menu, click Chatbots, open the hub, and under AI Chatbot, go to Data Source. Here you can manage Q&A, add website URLs, or knowledge articles. Then go to Inbox, where you can simulate a conversation and test how the AI responds. To integrate, go to the Integrations tab, select your platform like Shopify or WordPress. Then head over to Flows, click Add Sales Flow, select a plan like customer service, and finish connecting your store. And that's it, your Tidio Chatbot is now live and ready to support your site.